I am going to show you how to make a virtual line pass at Universal Studios Orlando. First thing first, you want to be sure you have the Universal app downloaded on your phone. I have that in the bottom right corner here. You're just going to click on that to open it. And then on the upper left side, you're going to open the menu. First, you want to be sure your tickets are linked. So if you go down to the wallet there, that's going to show you your tickets. All of my tickets are there, but if you did need to link your tickets, you'll go to scan under add tickets and passes, and there you can either manually enter your ticket number, or if you hit the right hand side, it will open it up so you can go ahead and take a picture of your bar for the ticket. But since we don't need to do that, we will go back out, go back to the menu in the upper left corner, click on that, it opens it up. Probably your quickest way to go is to click on Virtual Line Experience. If you look down the menu towards the bottom, 3 up from the shop is Virtual Line Experience. It always opens it up to this About page. You'll want to go over to the right in the middle of the page and click Virtual Line Venues, where it's going to show you what options you have for virtual line passes at this time. We'll go to Jimmy Fallon and we will click on him. Scroll down to about the middle of the screen where it says under tickets, virtual line pass. We will click on virtual line pass. And now this is the important part because it's showing you a bunch of times, but you want to be sure that you are making the virtual line for the correct number of people in your party, because if you see above the times, there's that little bar from 1 to 8. So you want to move the dot over to the number of people in your party so that everybody gets to enjoy the ride with you. We have 4 in our party. We'll go for the 1 to 1:30 time frame here. On the bottom of the screen, you see after we click that time, it came up with a blue bar, Reserve Virtual Line Pass. We'll click on that. And now it shows up that we have a virtual line pass. When you're ready to go and enjoy your ride, you will want to bring that pass up. So if you just click on it here, it comes up with the bar for you to show the employee. They'll scan your phone, and then you get to go ahead and enjoy the ride. I would recommend taking a screenshot of this just in case your Wi-Fi is not working at the time that you need to redeem your pass. That way you have it available. You can just go right into your photos. Now, if you decide you do not want to do this Jimmy Fallon ride, maybe you want to try for Hagrid's instead, you can go ahead and delete in the upper right hand corner, or if you just wanted to change your return time, bottom bar here, just click change return time and it will show you what other times are available. But we don't want to do that. We want to delete, so we're going to go to the upper right corner, delete, and now we're able to reserve another ride that has the virtual line pass. You are able to hold 2 virtual line passes at a time. Earlier today, I did Hagrid's, so I already have that Hagrid pass available to me. Now, there is also, I want to show you, you can go to the option if you just go to home here, go to wait times in the middle of the page on the left-hand side. And then if you see up top the bar, you can scroll and you can select what kind of rides you would like to see. So right now I have nothing is selected. Before I had Thrill and 3D 4D selected. And if you go to the upper right corner menu bar, that's going to list all of your current wait times. And it's also going to show you some additional options for the virtual line. However, I'll see, even though it says virtual line on it, it may not always be available to you. So let's say Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. It says 30-minute wait or virtual line. Let's click on it though. We'll scroll down, virtual line pass to reserve. Sorry, there are currently no times available. So you can always check back throughout the day and those virtual times may open up. Same thing with Hagrid's. I know that one especially, they will tend to release more times throughout the day. So if you didn't get it in the morning, you can check throughout the day and see if you can get it. I have found that Hagrid seems to be opening up anywhere from like 15 to 5 minutes before the park opens at 9 a.m. So I would definitely, if that's a priority, be sure that you are up and available to do that at that time. If you are staying at a Universal Orlando Resort property, you can do it from the comfort of your hotel without having to have to be in the park in order to do it. So this morning I made our virtual line pass for Hagrid's from our hotel room. Hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, I would love to answer them.